This video will teach you how to use the City of Hutchins See-Click-Fix app on Android phones. Once you've downloaded the app and open it up, you will see this screen. These links will take you to specific pages on the City website, including the home page and the link where you can pay your water bill online. If you need to call the non-emergency police line or City Hall, just click and it will open up the number in your keypad. To create an account, click the Profile button on the far right, press Sign up for a See-Click-Fix account, and submit your information. It is not necessary for you to create an account to create requests, but it will allow you to track the request status and view notifications. If you do have an account, those notifications will appear by clicking on the second button that says Notices. You may also choose to give permission for the app to send you push notifications like you would receive for text messages. To do this, click on the three dots at the top, press Notifications, and toggle the button to your preferred preference. To create a request, click either the tab on the home page or this plus sign in the middle. You will be prompted to allow the app to access your location. This will be useful to help narrow your search results. Enabling GPS may also help you enter the location of your request when you're not exactly sure of the address. It is important to note that enabling location is not necessary to use the app. The location will only be used when you're actively using the app, and you can always turn off your notification in your phone settings. After you've clicked on either of the options, enter the address and confirm the location. You can then choose the type of issue you're reporting. Here, you can add any pictures you have of the issue. Last, you will answer the questions and submit the request. As mentioned, if you create an account, you will receive updates on your request status, such as when it has been viewed by a real person and when it is resolved. Back on the main screen, you will see a button that says Requests. Here, you can see all the requests that others have entered nearby on the map and through a list view. Before entering a new request, you may wish to consider checking here to see if it's already been entered. At the top, you can click on the funnel icon to search for requests entered into the system, and the GPS icon, which you can press to allow the app to receive your location. If you need to sign in or out of your account, you can click on the icon with the three dots and see the appropriate button in the drop-down. I hope this video helps.